Froy, Whernside. Yeah.
Good morning, Froy here. Another day, another roof leak. Lucky me. This time, this back bedroom on the flat roof seemed to have a roof leak fairly close to the window. So the only thing that makes it easy is the fact I've got a flat roof up here and here. So I should be able to climb up relatively easy and see if I can find the leak. So as usual, lovely British rainy day, ideal for roofing, so let's get up there. First observation is the roof doesn't drain very well. So again, the red roof is my roof, the darker roof is the neighbour's. So that's the join there between the two flat roofs. As you can see, it doesn't drain very well. Now, we only got the leak in heavy rain, so it's not because the water's pooling, well it could be, but the leak would be around here somewhere, based upon where the leak is inside the room. So it could be one of these joints here. You get it. That's not sealed down very well. So what I'm going to do is try and sweep off a load of this water and then see what we've got. Swept away a lot of the water. There's got a big pile of roof sludge here I need to scoop up. So this lovely stuff. Nice. Just on the edge of this flat roof here, I've got a gutter as well. You can see that is brimmed with roof grime. Let's try and get some of that out. Oh yeah, like Weetabix. Nice. There's quite a bit of moss. There's quite a bit of moss build up along this bottom edge, where the bottom tile meets the flat roof. So I'm just going to try and scrape some of that moss off. This is probably holding a lot of moisture. pile of moss. Just scraped a load of moss off that bottom edge. Hopefully. Just to try and stop it holding so much moisture. Alright, so that's the roof much cleaner. Swept off all the water and all the years of leaves and moss and whatever else. So the area where we had a leak in the second bedroom is about here somewhere-ish. Let's have a quick look at some of this. Not very well sealed there. So you can see the neighbour's roof has had an extra layer put on top at some point. So yeah, not very well sealed there. Bit of a hole there. I believe this is the original roof, and it is it's built in 1965, so it's due to be recovered anyway. So there might have been a patch here at some point. This soil stack. Looks okay, not the best. Hello. I've got some of this Flexacryl from Bostik. It's a fibre reinforced waterproofing roof repair system that you can just brush on. You can brush it on in damp conditions, dry conditions, and yeah, I'm probably just going to brush a bit of this onto some of the worst areas and just see. Hopefully this works. Let's have a look. It's like tar. Perfect, I guess. Looks like something out of Home Alone. Okay. I'm going to try and do this area first. I'm just going to dry it out a bit and then slap some of that Flexacryl on. I've got these two joins here, relatively dried out, swept away all the loose debris. I'm just going to apply some of this Flexacryl. This stuff is great. Look at that. Goes on really thick. It's really fibrous, so you got to lay it on quite thick. But it seems to form like an instant waterproof seal. Right, there we go. Applied that flex grill along both joins. It really is like a thick tar substance, almost with like fiberglass inside the liquid. So if that doesn't seal it, I don't know what would. Yeah, really nice stuff to use actually. I would say if you're pro environment, this probably isn't what you want to be using, because it is just the smell of it, you know it's doing some serious harm to the environment. Harmful to aquatic life. Probably all life, I'd imagine. Right, whilst I'm up here, I'm just going to put a little bit around this soil stack because it looks a bit ropey in places. Right, there we go, all done. Put a nice thick layer on the two joins. I'm hoping that fixes the problem. This area in particular. There we go. And just a little bit around this soil stack. Not that it was leaking, but it didn't look great. Another roof leak hopefully fixed. Just there. At some point I'm going to have to get this flat roof refelted because it is 60 years old. But for now, hopefully that works for this winter. Comment down below, subscribe. I'm going to be releasing hopefully a video every week, or at least every 2 weeks. That's what I'm aiming for. And you can track my progress on fixing all these damn leaks. 'Cause, whew, I've got a lot. Okay, that's it. See you in the next one. Cheerios.